Alright, while she's out, let's get this next project sorted. I've got my cup of coffee. Let's see how this goes. Next lot of stripping. Into the dip you go. You're right there, Mark here from 6 Plus Save. Going over a discussion that I've been having in my head for quite some time, and that is why you may want to strip your models, your pros and cons to do it. So this is just a plain and simple pros and cons, my experience and how me stripping armies and models and stuff has been effective and not at the same time. Alright, so I've actually got, hopefully you see by the thumbnail and the title, I've been stripping a lot of models. Alright, so further ado, I will swap over to the other view of the camera and show you what I've been doing and why I've been doing it. So catch you in one moment. Alright, here is my over 5,000 points worth of Dark Angels Primaris project that I've been stripping. Alright, I'll explain why I've been stripping them, but also why you may not want to strip them, so you can just go in a bit more educated into this. Alright, I'm not saying it's right, I'm not saying it's wrong. Now, one of the main reasons why I've been stripping these Primaris Marines is I've been collecting them through a very long time. Base coats are different, primes are different, Rattle-can, airbrush, black prime, then a green prime over the top, or just a plain green prime. Okay, so the quality is just different across the board. Now the only things that I have kept that I haven't then re-stripped, but I have stripped and then redone, if that word makes sense, is the Raven Wing at the back, Tech Marine, the Dread for the moment, Blade Guard the Blade Guard here, or Death Wing, and I'm questioning the Chaplain and the Apothecary. The Intercessors are being stripped. But the reason why I've done it, as I said, different paint jobs, different paint schemes, you know, I wanted to look all coherent. Secondly, I want to do better than what I've done there. Simple as that. My will to put more effort into the paint jobs has gone up. I really want to push it more. I'm not saying I'm going to do these display level per se, or box art, or studio level or anything like that. I just don't want to do base coat, slap a wash on, done. I want to actually put some effort in. Okay, so that's why I'm stripping them. Thirdly, I came across the whole idea that, you know, I've got this sergeant here. Okay, he's alright. What makes him Dark Angels? The colour, the insignia, and the sword. But that's it. Not really Dark Angels-y. Now, let's just grab a normal bolter guy. That looks like a Dark Angels sergeant to me. All robed up. Don't need to do this for every single guy, but that looks different. And I was able to do this because I stripped down the models. Because I was able to then make sergeants for those 5 there, I was able to use the bits and make an assault marine squad. Assault intercessor squad out of it. So that was another reason behind it. Now, the con for doing this, the boon is I'm hoping to be able to do them better. Now the cons, the time and effort you've just put into painting the models is gone. It's gone. You've stripped off the paint. So that time and effort you put in is gone. The supplies that you used is gone. The time that you're going to use to strip the models will be gone as well. You're not going to be painting. You're not going to be modelling. That pile of potential is not going to change. But you're going to take the knowledge that you've done from painting these models, okay, and you're going to put them into the next models. So that is a boon, okay. But there is one big caveat. I had this bad when I was younger. You could get into a vicious cycle of not being happy with what you're painting and keep stripping and keep stripping and keep stripping, and you're going into a vicious cycle. So you do need to think of it very thoroughly. Now, there's nothing wrong with having a donor model. Let's say this librarian's the donor model. You paint something up, you want to test out the color scheme, you want to test out a technique, you want to try a new thing of glazing or stippling or whatever. You've seen something on YouTube. Put it on. Oh, okay, I'm fine with that. You strip it, you try a new technique, and you use this as a blank canvas. There's nothing wrong with using that. But that's not really part of the discussion per se. It's more on stripping an entire army. But I shall leave it there. As I said, this is my thought process of why I'm stripping this 5,000 plus points of army here. Because I want it to be coherent. I want to push my painting to the next level that I believe I can now do. And I'm more confident to do it, and more competent to do it. But anyway, if you like the video, please hit the thumbs up. Very much appreciated. If you've had experience like this yourself, please comment down below. Very much appreciated. As always, if you haven't already, please subscribe, hit that bell notification. You know what's going out. I do have affiliate links down below. I have a Patreon, so if you do want to support that way, please do. But anyway, thank you so very, very much for watching through to the end. I hope to hear all your discussions and all your experience of this topic. And I really do hope to bring out more topics like this down the line. It's just little things that I have going in my head, and I think a lot of people do as well. But anyway, you all have a fantastic rest of your day, and I'll see you around.